Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by eliminating simple power faults quickly. First, plug in the original charger or a 45W USB-C PD adapter and watch the charging LED. If none, swap outlets. Once done, inspect the USB-C port and cable for debris or bent pins because poor contact prevents boot. Next, perform a hard reset. Hold power plus refresh for 10 to 15 seconds to clear transient firmware hangs. If you see a brief blink or logo, let it complete the boot cycle before moving on. Now we dig deeper into hardware and system recovery. If your model has an accessible battery, remove it and connect the charger alone to test the power board. This isolates a bad battery from a dead system. Meanwhile, create a recovery USB stick, 8 GB or larger, from another computer so you can force a clean firmware reinstall. Once ready, enter recovery mode with ESC plus refresh plus power and follow prompts to use the recovery media. This reinstalls Chrome OS and fixes corrupted firmware or system partitions. Finish by running the recovery process until it completes and the device reboots. Allow the first full update cycle to finish before logging in, because interrupted updates cause repeats. Once you regain access, perform a power wash to remove lingering user-level issues and check for firmware updates in settings to prevent recurrence. If the Chromebook still won't power on, test with a verified working charger or cable, and if necessary, replace the battery or contact repair. Key troubleshooting tip. A laptop that shows absolutely no LED often indicates a faulty power board or depleted internal battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.